Are you looking for the best 3D printers any budget? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers any budget on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Kobra S1 3D Printer. Anycubic Kobra S1 speedy 3-dimensional printer brings a sense of excitement for creators who want their ideas to come to life with ease and confidence. Its Core XY design provides smooth and steady motion, allowing every movement to feel controlled and precise. People who enjoy making often look for a machine that supports their vision, and this printer responds with reliability that inspires trust and encourages exploration. The fast 600mm per second speed helps projects grow quickly, giving users the freedom to experiment without long delays. Each print becomes an enjoyable journey as models rise with clarity and accuracy. The ultra-quiet operation creates a calm environment, allowing focus and creativity to flow without distraction, making long crafting sessions feel peaceful and satisfying. High precision ensures that every detail is captured, giving a sense of pride as each creation takes shape exactly as imagined. The stable frame adds reassurance, making complex or large designs feel manageable and achievable. Anycubic Kobra S1 speedy 3-dimensional printer becomes more than just a tool. It acts as a partner for creators, turning imagination into tangible results while providing a satisfying, motivating, and emotionally fulfilling experience for everyone who values craftsmanship and innovation. Number 2. FLASHFORGE AD5X 3D Printer. FLASHFORGE AD5X 3-dimensional printer brings a sense of creativity and joy for anyone who wants to transform imagination into colorful reality. Its ability to handle multiple colors allows every design to feel lively, making each project more personal and meaningful. People who enjoy making often seek a machine that feels reliable and inspiring, and this printer provides that steady support while encouraging bold ideas. The intelligent filament system adds confidence, guiding materials smoothly and giving users peace of mind during long or complex builds. One-click auto-leveling simplifies preparation, allowing creators to focus on shaping their vision rather than adjusting the machine. This ease of use makes the experience feel natural and enjoyable, even for detailed or intricate projects. Group control offers harmony when managing multiple prints, making it easier to stay organized and maintain consistent quality. This feature is especially motivating for small businesses or collaborative environments, where productivity and reliability matter. FLASHFORGE AD5X 3-dimensional printer becomes more than a tool. It acts as a trusted partner that nurtures creativity, supports artistic expression, and delivers emotional satisfaction. Every print feels rewarding, turning simple ideas into tangible results while inspiring users to continue exploring, creating, and enjoying the process of bringing imagination to life. Number 3. Creality K1C 3D Printer. Creality K1C speedy 3-dimensional printer brings a sense of excitement and possibility for creators who want their ideas to come to life quickly and reliably. Its fast 600mm per second motion gives a feeling of energy, allowing every project to take shape smoothly and confidently. People who enjoy crafting often want a machine that feels dependable, and this printer delivers that assurance while making each printing session enjoyable. The all-metal extruder provides stability and control, guiding materials such as carbon fiber-enhanced filament with ease. This steady performance allows users to focus on creating meaningful designs rather than worrying about interruptions or errors. The artificial intelligence camera adds a layer of reassurance, observing the process and giving users peace of mind while managing detailed or complex prints. The build area of 220 by 220 by 250mm offers enough space for personal projects, prototypes, and custom creations to grow freely. Each print becomes a rewarding experience, reflecting care, creativity, and imagination. Creality K1C speedy 3-dimensional printer becomes more than a tool. It acts as a partner for every creator, turning ideas into tangible results, inspiring confidence, and offering a fulfilling experience that motivates users to explore, design, and bring imagination to life with pride. Number 4. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Pro 3D Printer. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Pro AE version brings a sense of wonder and satisfaction for anyone who enjoys turning imagination into tangible art. Its 14K monoscreen delivers sharp and precise layers that make every model appear vivid and detailed. People who love crafting often seek a printer that feels reliable and inspires confidence, and this machine provides that stability while allowing creativity to flow freely. The 10.1 liquid crystal display gives a clear view of every movement, helping users feel in control as their ideas take shape. Its 170 mm/h speed adds a sense of excitement, letting projects grow quickly without losing precision. This combination of speed and clarity makes every printing session rewarding and encourages users to explore more complex or artistic designs. The printing space of 223 by 126 by 230 mm provides enough room for characters, decorative pieces, or business models, turning small concepts into impressive creations. Each print feels meaningful as the printer supports smooth operation and consistent results. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Pro AE version becomes more than a resin printer. It stands as a creative companion, transforming imagination into reality while offering emotional satisfaction, dependable performance, and a joyful experience that motivates every user to create and explore endlessly. Number 5. Creality K1 Max 3D Printer. Creality K1 Max 3-dimensional printer brings a sense of inspiration for creators who want to transform their ideas into impressive, tangible models. Its rapid 600 mm/s speed adds excitement to every project, allowing users to see their imagination take shape quickly and confidently. People who enjoy crafting often look for a machine that feels reliable, and this printer provides steady support while encouraging bold creativity. The dual-gear direct-drive extruder delivers smooth and consistent flow, giving users confidence when working on complex designs or larger models. This stability makes the creative process feel effortless, helping makers focus on expressing their vision without interruption. The generous 300 by 300 by 300 mm build area allows for ambitious projects, whether personal creations, prototypes, or artistic pieces, giving the freedom to explore ideas without limitations. Every print becomes a moment of pride as the structure forms layer by layer with precision and balance. The quiet and controlled operation adds comfort, making long sessions enjoyable and stress-free. Creality K1 Max 3-dimensional printer becomes more than a tool. It acts as a creative partner, turning concepts into reality, motivating users, and offering an emotionally satisfying experience that inspires confidence and joy in every project.